Welcome back to the channel, Groovy Girlies. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to slay this Halloween with 3 super affordable and cute DIY looks using only Primark products. So the first look that we're going to do is this trend of a soft girl. I feel like this is literally courtesy of TikTok. I feel like this wasn't a thing before that. And firstly, what we need to do is cover this skin. Oh my god, I've been breaking out so bad recently. I've grabbed 2 shades from the double coverage matte foundation from Primark, and I got the shades Ivory and Cool Sand. I felt like these were the best match to my skin, so I'm just going to test them on my cheek, and as I can see, I do need a mix of both, even though they are incredibly accurate to my skin tone. And now I think it's time to cover these dark circles, darling. It's very obvious that I've had a lack of sleep this Halloween. Next, we're going to set this base with powder, making sure to do my little trick of setting your actual spots too. Then we're going to actually warm this look up a little bit with some bronzer. Like, I mean, seriously, go to town with this bronzer. Right, now what am I Oh, blush. Right, okay. See, this is something that I never usually wear, but I feel it's signature in this soft girl look, and I can't miss it out. And oops, tea break, ladies. Oh my god, am I ever going to stop drinking? What the hell? Liquid highlight is an absolute favourite of mine at the minute, and this one is from Miss Lynn, which is currently sold in Primark. And look at that glow. Like, that's actually insane. Like, what? What? So using the Wild Romance palette, we're just going to add some soft highlight to the nose. And right, does anyone else really struggle with opening packaging? Like, I can actually never get these things off. It takes me about an hour. It's like, I absolutely love the fact it's for sanitary reasons, but your girl's really struggling out here. So anyway, time for the brows. So we're just going to do what I usually do and use precision brow pencil. And darling, don't forget to brush those hairs up. And voila, we're done. So going back to the palette, I'm going to take this purple shimmer shade and place it in my inner corners to create a colour theme for this look. You can literally use any colour you like. I just felt like using purple today. And then I'm going to go in with some liner to create a sharp as heck wing. I mean, like, what else is Halloween for? Anyway, you don't actually have to do this. It's just me, myself and I here, so that's what I chose to do. Curl the lashes, coat the lashes, go absolutely wild. And then we're going to use these lashes that are actually my faves, I'm not going to lie. And they were pretty damn easy to put on. Like, what? I mean, I'd be out here looking cute as hell, but we're not done. So grab some lip gloss and whack that on, and if you want to go the extra mile, I've got just the thing. But I found these adorable little stickers in Primark for literally like 50p, and I thought they'd look super cute as freckles. There's like little heart ones, a little cat, I believe, and some out of space things. I know it really doesn't fit the theme of Halloween, but they were too adorable to resist, let's be real. I actually look so adorable. Is this a sick joke? So after this, it's time to accessorize, honeys, and I'm just going to part my hair straight down the middle and add these giant clips, which actually match my dress and my eyeshadow. And my sticker freckles. Wow, I love my OCD sometimes. And there we go. Oh, wait, no, apparently still not done. I suppose you're probably thinking, Haz, now is this even a Halloween look? Well, here's the fake blood, guys, don't worry. It's finally Halloween time. I actually really love this look. I feel like it's so me. If you watch my channel, you'd probably agree. And it's just so cute. I know Halloween isn't about being cute, don't hate me. I feel like this look is for the people that just want to look cute on Halloween and not go down the scary look and put too much effort in. However, this look, well, this is for those of you that want to be a little bit more out there this Halloween. That's right, Harley Quinn, baby. So starting off with these red and blue hair chalks, I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with either colours, and then I'm going to go in with my usual shades on the end. I kind of want to go out the house looking like this more. Is that a bit weird? So taking the Fright Club white face paint, I'm going to create a base for my eyelids and also just go a little bit under the lash line, just to prepare for these bold ass colours that we're going to be using. I also got these cute little face paints, which I'm going to use for this look. They're like little lipsticks. They're like so weird. Obviously putting the blue on the one side, the red on the other, and then I'm just going to go over them to set it with the powder, just like the red shade from the palette actually. And then all you gotta do is blend it, darlings. I thought I'd be creative and incorporate Stage Blood into this look and use it for the dripping red that Harley usually has under her eyes. And then I'm gonna do the exact same with this blue shimmer shadow on the opposite side. This actually comes in a 2-pack with a compact powder as well, and it was on sale, like literally £1. That's super affordable. Tattoo time. You guys know I love my face tats. And to those of you that are always asking about my triangle, no, it is not a tattoo, and I don't plan on getting it tattooed either. Now it's time to line those lips with this gorgeous red colour, which actually also comes in a 2-pack with a lip liner. So once we've done this, it's time for the hair. Using the hair chalk that I used on my brows earlier, I'm just going to dust a few strands with it to create more of a grungy effect. I feel like Harley would be so proud. I also just want to apologise for my greasy ass hair. I actually filmed this over the course of 10 hours. Yeah, 10 whole hours. That's how long this took me. So you can understand why I'm so sweaty. So quick change of outfit and there we go. Harley Quinn. I mean, not quite as hot as Margot Robbie, but we made it, I guess. Oh my God, you cheeky devil. Time for a more simple look. Using the lipstick actually that I previously used for the Harley Quinn look, we're gonna draw some winged liner. Just a little tip, don't go straight in with the applicator for the lipstick. Use an angled brush, it literally applies so much easier. So obviously curl your lashes, apply mascara, add your falsies, and then I'm gonna show you a little trick. My eyes are basically slanted downwards, that is just my eye shape. A little trick to make you have more of a cat eye effect with your lashes is if you push up, it creates a cat eye effect. I know you're gonna look like you're having an allergy attack for a split sec, but it's so beneficial. After this, we're just going to apply the same red lipstick that we've been using throughout these tutorials. Your little devil look, you know, not so much effort, but still looking fine as heck. And obviously you can leave it as this, or you can get creative and add some special effects, which is what I did. So I used the scar fix, which you can actually use like tissue paper or anything with. I am personally not that skilled in the special effects area, but a little trick that you can do is keep layering this up, get some scissors, preferably nail scissors. I just didn't have any at hand, and basically cut the middle bit open, but please be careful not to cut your skin. This is like seriously dangerous, and I probably shouldn't even be advising this. I think we're old enough to know what not to do with scissors, aren't we? Yes, we are. So covering the white with the foundation, I'm then just applying loads and loads and loads of blood, like literally basically half the bottle, and then you have a fake little cut right on your cheek. Isn't that gorgeous? So I think this looks pretty realistic, if I do say so myself. Anyway, angels, that is it for the 3 looks. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below, and all of my social media links will be in the description. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.